Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Good morning, Mom. Welcome to City of Health. How may I assist you today?
Morning, I'd like to check in, please.
Certainly. Do you have any reservation?
I have a reservation under your name, Rowena Manila.
May I kindly ask if you have a booking confirmation, Mom?
Yes, I have. Here it is.
Alright, just a moment, please.
Okay.
May I kindly have your valid ID and credit card used during your reservation, Mom?
Sure.
Here it is. Thank you. Identification booking in our system. This is confirmed under your name, Ms. Rowena Manila, private deluxe room, with size of bed located on the 15th floor with a beautiful ceiling. Your bill will be settled on via visit card, amounting to 11,978. Your stay March 23 until March 25. All the information is correct, Ms. Rowena.
That's all correct.
May we ask your signature, please?
Here, Mom. Here.
Thank you, Ma'am. And here is your valid ID and credit card.
Thank you. By the way, what's included in that cost, Mom?
Great question, Ms. Cantella. Your rate is include the complimentary breakfast for two, unlimited Wi-Fi access, and full accessories swimming pool and fitness center.
That's good to know. What's anything else included, Mom?
Yes, ma'am. We also enjoy the 20% discount at our restaurant and cafe, and free shuttle service selected malls around the city.
Wow, that sounds very good. Thank you for explaining.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, please, that will be right after.
The Arbella will assist you shortly. Here is your room key card, ma'am. And your room number is 1508. You have the elevator located just to your left and restaurant on the ground floor. Your check-out time is 12 noon on March 25, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, Ms. Catella. If you need anything, enjoy yourself, just dial 0 on your phone. We hope you enjoy your stay with us, City of Oklahoma.
Thank you.
I found another.
Good afternoon, Mom. Welcome to the City Hotel. May I help you?
Good afternoon. We're checking out of room 1508.
Certainly, Ma'am. Just wait for a moment. Good afternoon, room 1508. Check out, please. Thank you. Thank you for choosing to stay at Statsila. May I kindly have your room key, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Just a moment while I review your account. I prefer that you stay with us from March 25 to March 23 and then also, may I kindly ask, taxi?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Certainly, Miss Cancela. I will call a taxi for you. It should arrive in about 5 minutes. You may relax in our lunch area while you wait.
Thank you very much.
It's truly our pleasure, Miss Cancela.
Goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye, Miss Cancela. Take care and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.